Hi, this is Rachelle with Scrapcraftastic, and I am here to do a weekly setup in the Dollar Tree planner. I'm going to be using this washi tape. All of it is from Simply Gilded. Then I also have these digitals. The eggs will be available to Patron Elites and Plus. So by the time this video goes up, they should be available over on Patreon. And you get the 2 sheets, 2 different sizes, 2 sets. And then, of course, the boxes and the date covers and date dots are already over there. If you are a patron elite, you already have access. So I'm hopefully going to be working with some of these. And I also think the grass is there. I think I got this upside down. I think the grass is there. I'm not sure. But I'll try to link to it over on Patreon so that you can find it. And then I'm thinking I might use something from this. This is the week of Easter that I'm going to be doing the spread for. And that is the prompt for the Scrapcraftastic Weekly Planner Challenge this week. So I'm kind of going for Easter springy vibe. And I really like these cups, but I don't know how I'm going to incorporate those. And then I have a few stickers in my DIY sticker book left over from when I initially printed the spring kit from CHELA Creates. So I have the cups left on a couple of other pages too. And then this is the full size of the Delight page. So I'm going to set that aside. So I've got all of that pulled out, and I also have some PR Happy Mail from PLUM Soul Studio. It's plumsoulstudio.com. I do have a discount code, and I will link everything in the description box below, or list everything in the description box below. I had not looked at this. I did look at the packing slip that came with it. So I am hoping that there is something in here that I can use. So I think these are just little thank you goodies, freebies. Die cuts, or are they sticker flakes? Yep, they are sticker flakes. Those are cute, and they go with our color scheme. So let's set that aside. Then, because alopecia has been in the news lately, I think that's the purpose of these stickers, because there are medical conditions. We talked about, I was losing my hair this time last year. It's trying to come back, but it's not all the way back. But yeah, so that is what these are about. Very nice. Oh, these are perfect. These are perfect. Okay. Then for Easter, you know, we go to church with our Easter hats. So there you go. I'm gonna be using this. And then these are the workout stickers. Those are nice too. Okay. Oh, let's put that away. So again, this is Plum Soul Studio. Check them out. So far, I'm loving the quality, and I'm loving what I have here. Let's see. We might have to spruce up our purple a little bit. Let's do this. So this is last week. The prompt was Alice. This is how it turned out. I like it a lot. So it's gone to this week. I've already put in the journaling spot. So it looks like I may not be able to use the cups. Let's see what we can get going here. I'm at a loss at the moment. Okay. Okay, change of plans, change of washi. Let's go with this purple. I might have to use my cups and desserts on another spread. Maybe I'll use them on my work planner for the monthly pages. Oh, these are nice. Very small offset. I kind of like that. Kind of like that. She's going right there. And I really wish I had some purple eggs, but I don't. Let's see how the eggs look by the grass. I'm just experimenting with this. Just want to see. And I can layer that up like that. Okay. So we're going to do something similar to that up here on the top in the header area. I guess I'll have to still use some small pieces. Let's place some eggs. I think we're going to need some flowers too. So let's see what. Ooh, those are deep dark purple. We can use some of these from CHELA Plan to the rescue again. Let me put this washi on the washi graveyard so I can have room to stick flowers on the back of my hand. So this is a perfect example of I sat down, I had a pre-planned idea, kind of, and it's gone by the wayside because I'm going to do something different. But I think I'm not going to use that one. I think I'll have to use these two corner stickers. That will be better. So I might have to give up my little egg idea. We shall see. I'll just put the eggs and skip the grass for now. And let's deal with this. So this I'm gonna leave. I think that's fine in there. Matter of fact, I can use this grass on here. Okay, I think I can incorporate them like that. That works. And I'm probably gonna spare at least half of that flower and put this over here. Let's put a bigger egg. I think we can get by with that. They stand out a lot, but I think it's okay. This is Simply Gilded also. Let's see, I think this is the closest thing that I have to gold that I can use. Let's see how it looks. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Let's try something a little different. The wind is blowing hard here today. It's been like that all day. I've had the doors open and probably wasn't such a good idea. I think I let some gnats or something in, but I just wanted to let that cool wind blow through the house. Enjoy it while it lasts, because this is probably our last hurrah before the heat comes. So it's nice and cool. Couldn't believe it yesterday when I walked outside. I was all prepared to have my breath stolen with the humidity, and there was none. It was great. So I was like, I need to check the weather, because why is it cold, or cold for us? I mean, it's not really cold, but yeah, it's a little nippy. Maybe I can put some of this down here. Let's see what's in volume 2. So I use all the purples in volume 1. Let's grab a few from here. Okay. And this is something that I don't normally do, but if you really rub these clear stickers down, well, the ones from CHELA Plan, if you really rub those in, you can barely tell that they are on the page. So I need to start doing that. Better. Let's see what boxes she has here. I think I'm going to put the Happy Easter. This is available to all levels of patrons. Scrapcraft-tastic patrons. Oh, I'm going to use the Happy Easter from that. And I was going to put it at the top, but I think I'll put it here and leave that room up there for writing. Should we put a box or two up there? If I can get two the same color, that will fit. So this is colorful boxes from the Happy Planner. I used both of the Roy G. Biv books from CHELA Plan. This is volume 1, even though it doesn't say it. And this is volume 2. I think we're going to call that good. I didn't use any of the washi that I originally pulled. What do you all think? Let me know in the comments. I feel like I need some kind of flower here, but I'm just going to leave it. The doll sticker is from PLUM Soul Studio. These are stickers that I received from them. So make sure you go over and check them out. If you shop, use the code that is in the description box below. I also used washi tape from Simply Gilded. The day of the week washi tape is from Rose Colored Days. The eggs are digital that are available to some patrons. Some of the boxes are from CHELA Plan. All of the florals are from CHELA Plan. And some of the boxes are from the Happy Planner. The grass and the Happy Easter are available to patrons as well. And I think that's everything that I used. The eggs kind of look weird, but I had to put something in there that said Easter. So I don't know. I may come back and add a few little flowers here and there if I can find some smaller purple flowers. But for the purposes of this video, that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that little gray bell so that you'll receive notification each time I upload a new video. Be sure to check the community tab and my stories for updates throughout the week. Also, check us out over at patreon.com/scrapcrafttastic for exclusive content and digital downloads. Visit my other channel, Journal Life's Journey, for craft videos and junk journals. You can find me across social media at Scrapcrafttastic. Visit my website and shop at scrapcrafttastic.com. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them below. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.